Hey guys, my name is Harry. I'm one of the owners and master roasters here at Alma Coffee, and today I'm going to be showing you my guide to how to brew cold brew at home. What you're going to need is our Hario cold brew carafe, a bag of our Frio roast, which is specifically roasted to be used for cold brew. It comes out really nice, and then water. You can find the cold brew carafe as well as the bag of Frio on our website.
Measure out 4 ounces of coffee beans. Grind coffee as coarse as possible. You're going to want to pour those coffee grounds into the cold brew filter basket. In intervals, you're going to want to pour 4 cups of water over the coffee grounds. Then stir frequently for best results. Go ahead and place the lid on top of the carafe and then throw it in your fridge to steep for 20 to 24 hours. You're then going to remove the coffee grounds and place the strainer on the lid just to prevent a mess. I learned that the hard way. To get the best results, combine with 50% water per serving and then pour over ice.
And just as simple as that, you have fresh cold brew, and that can actually last for 2 weeks as long as you keep it in the fridge. I'd recommend trying out our Frio as well as all the other roasts which you can find on our website. Until then guys, cheers!